Everyone is chasing extreme routines. Cold showers, hustle culture, overnight change. But the people who quietly rebuild their life in 2026 do something very different. They choose habits so simple, they almost feel pointless. And that's exactly why they work. 1. Waking up at the same time every day. Not early, just consistent. Your brain doesn't need motivation, it needs rhythm. 2. Making your bed immediately, not for cleanliness, but to start the day with control. One small win sets the tone. 3. Sitting in silence for 10 minutes. No phone, no music, no noise. This is where mental clutter dissolves and real clarity comes back. 4. Choosing one task that must be done no matter what, even on low energy days, especially on low energy days. Progress is built on completion, not excitement. 5. Eating the same simple breakfast. Less choices, less thinking, more energy saved for decisions that shape your future. 6. Walking every day without distraction, no podcasts, no scrolling, just movement and thoughts. Your body unlocks answers your mind can't. 7. Reading a few pages daily, not to impress anyone, but to slowly upgrade the way you think. Small input, massive long-term change. 8. Writing one honest line at night. What did today teach me? This habit builds self-awareness faster than motivation ever will. 9. Sleeping at the same time every night. Late nights feel productive. They're not. Sleep sharpens focus, discipline, and emotional control. 10. Repeating all of this even when it feels useless. Because boring habits don't excite you, they reshape you. In 2026, don't try to be extreme. Be consistent. The most boring habits create the most powerful lives. Start now. Stay boring.